Hello, my name is Avanti Lauzon, and welcome to 3 card tricks. I will be teaching you all the tricks, step by step. Okay, so the first card trick we will be performing is one where the card in the pack that the spectator has chosen is flipped over. So for this card trick, go through the pack, go to the end of the pack, and take the bottom 3 cards, doesn't matter, and flip them over, like so. Then, when you're ready to begin the card trick, ask your spectator to select a random card in the midst of the pack. Make sure they do not select near the end of the pack, or they will reveal the 3 face-down cards. So, have them select a card, take their card, and look at it, which is the 2 of hearts. On selecting, while they are looking at the pack, flip the deck over subtly. When they give the card back to you, tell them to insert it somewhere in the middle of the pack. When they do, put it away. Then, snap your fingers and claim that their card is now the first card on the top of the deck. Flip the card over. It is not their card. So, claim that it was a mistake and snap your fingers again, flip the next card over. This time, it's again not the card. So, after realizing this, you say that try a different way. Put the cards back on top of the deck and fan through the cards, careful not to reveal the last face down card. So fan through quickly and use your thumb to grab most of the cards and fan through until you see their card. For this next trick, you will need 4 identical cards. I like to use the 4 aces. They help a lot. So, start the trick by searching through the pack for these 4 aces. Claim that these 4 aces are bank robbers. And as you patter and make up a story, you want to take the 3 face-down cards on the top of the pack. Just kind of move them around and get a grip, and then put your pinky under these 3 cards. Separate them from the rest of the pack, like so. So, as you're talking about the story, square up the cards and put them on top of this packet. It should look like this. All of the cards should be in one big pack. Then go through each of their aces and give them a name, talk about them, saying he's the first robber, and he's the second robber, the second oldest robber, and the third oldest robber. Upon reaching the third, flip it over, and put this ace on top of the pack, putting these 3 cards on top, like so. Then flip this ace over. Then you bring out the idea that they robbed a bank, the 4 brothers, dealing them down. So the ace here, and then the fake cards here. And continue with the story about the robbers robbing a bank, and upon robbing the bank, they have the first brother, who's the fake, run really far and really far away, putting this card as far away in the bottom of the pack, near the bottom. Then continue with the story again, and second guy runs somewhat far, so insert somewhere near the middle. Make sure not to flash these fake cards. Then the second, say that he ran somewhat close and didn't get that far, so put him near the top of the pack, but not at the top, or you'll move the position of the 3 aces on top of the pack. So just put him somewhere, and then claim that the 4th guy, the ace, 4th ace, you can show this one, got caught, so he stays on top. And then claim, and then say that no matter what the aces do, they always seem to, and then flip them over for effect, get caught. So for the next trick, claim that you will need 2 helpers to your audience. I like to use the 2 jokers, but any other 2 of the same identical card will help. Set them aside and begin the trick. In the trick, fanning through the cards and giving the spectator free choice of a card they want to choose. Say they choose this card, the 8 of Hearts. Upon selecting their card, take apart a pack and tell them to put their card on top of this pack in your left hand. They put their card here. Use your pinky to grab a little part of the cards and put the pack on top, holding their card's position by your pinky. On doing so, cut the pack, bringing their card, the 8 of Hearts, to the top. Then bring back your 2 helpers. Slide this card forward and then insert your pinky underneath to get a grip. Then put the 2 jokers on top, square them up. Then take this little packet, slide the first joker off, showing that there's nothing on the joker, claiming that these 2 are looking through the cards. Then put the other 2 cards, the hidden card and the joker, on top of the other joker. Then give it a cut, and then fan through the entire deck, claiming that the jokers have found a culprit, the 8 of Hearts. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Hope you liked it. Goodbye.